Hello everyone, it's David again from the Huda Review team. Are you searching for more information about the YouTube Influencer Video Training course, which is created by Mr. Chris Derenberger, a YouTube expert? Want to know exactly what is this training? What does it include? And how you can make money and build your own online income stream from this training? More details about its pricing policy and the upgrades. Right? If yes, you are at the right place. Make sure that you watch this video to the end, so you can get all the information you need. First, let's check the description of this video to visit my YouTube influencer review on my website, hudareview.com, and read my review in detail. And don't miss out on the amazing and valuable bonuses that I offer readers and buyers at the end of my YouTube influencer review. Next, let's clarify what is this YouTube influencer course. YouTube Influencer is a personal course on building and growing a long-term and profitable affiliate business on YouTube, promoting other people's products and services. It offers 29 videos that will take even a complete beginner from setting up a YouTube channel to learning how to find your own products to promote, creating videos, and ranking on YouTube, while earning substantial commissions and getting $1000s in free products every month. And the most important is, this YouTube influencer training is created by a YouTube expert, Mr. Chris Derenberger. He has been a full-time YouTube marketer since 2013, earning 6 figures every year promoting other people's products and services. He is also the CEO of a YouTube ranking service and has clients all over the world, from individuals who do launch jacking to multi-million-dollar businesses. He doesn't just teach YouTube, it's his life. He has also created some great training courses. He helped a lot of people, especially newbies, started earning money with YouTube. And his courses are evaluated near perfectly by his customers, as well as the YouTuber community. I can show you some names such as YT Marketer, Tabeez, DFY Bonus Suite, YT Supremacy, etc. Now, let's take a look at the YouTube Influencers walkthrough to know more about this amazing course.
Hey, and thanks for checking out my course, YT Influencer. So in this video, I just want to take you inside of it and show you exactly what you get before you purchase, so you have a better idea of what to expect. So right after you purchase, you're going to be redirected to where you can log in here to the members area. There's a welcome video and some links, but the main training center you're going to find up here on the top menu. If you click on it, it's going to take you here to the core training for YT Influencer. Now there's 3 sections here of videos. There's one on preparing to get you ready. There's one on taking action, which is going to walk you through step by step on getting everything set up. And then last is going to be some videos, case studies, and updates that I'm going to continually update throughout here, showing you new case studies that I do, new updates of rankings of videos, and everything else that you need just to keep you motivated and to keep you going. So in the preparing section, I'm going to talk to you about the types of YouTube channels that you need to make. And then I'm going to show you proof that all of this works through some of my own stats, a lot of the emails I get, requests for all different types of free products I'm getting. In fact, I just got an email this morning, the first time I've ever had an offer to review a product that cost $1,000, which is going to be a treadmill with a big TV screen on it that they're going to be sending me, which is really cool. I'm also going to be talking to you about affiliate networks, about affiliate products, and the types of videos to make as an affiliate marketer that's going to get you the best conversions. Now down here in the taking action section, this is where you're going to learn to set up your YouTube channel. You're going to be able to get it verified so you can add your affiliate links in the description box. I'm going to show you how to record physical product reviews so you can get physical products for free in exchange for reviews. I'm also going to show you how to record digital products such as software and training courses. Many of those you'll be able to get also free in exchange for a review. And for physical products, I'm also going to show you how you can record these videos without even owning them and rank at the top of YouTube and Google. And this is something that I've been doing for several years now, and I have made many sales from it. In fact, I've even won affiliate contests by doing this. I'm also going to show you how I create faceless AI videos for some of my cash cow YouTube channels. And if you're not familiar with that, these are basically just informational type videos that I create using AI tools that are very quick and easy to make. You don't show your face on camera. You don't even use your own voice. And these types of videos can bring in a lot of traffic. I then go on to show you how you can create thumbnails for free for your YouTube channel. We're going to explain the YouTube algorithm and how it ranks videos so you have a better understanding of how all that works. I'm going to give you some examples of that. We're going to talk about YouTube filters, cloaking your affiliate links, or hiding the ugly affiliate links and making them look a lot better, which will increase your click-throughs and your conversions. And then also a tool that I've been using here recently a lot, which is vidIQ, how to get that added to your YouTube channel and the benefits of using it. All of this is included with your purchase of YT Influencer, but remember, there's going to be more videos added over time than what you see here. And then if you have any questions or need to get in touch with me, you can do it directly through the Facebook group or through the support link here where I answer all of the emails myself. So this is YT Influencer. If you want to get into affiliate marketing and YouTube, this is it.
Is everything clear? Click to access my YouTube influencer review in the description of this video. I have provided many valuable bonus packages to you as my and my team's gratitude. Please check all the bonus packages you will receive in my review. Make sure you send a message to my email at hudareviewbonus@gmail.com and I will send all bonuses to you within 24 hours. If you have ever purchased through my website and already own these bonuses, let me know and I will provide you with other attractive bonus packages. Thank you very much for watching my video and reading my review. I wish you and your family all the best. See you and bye-bye.